In our fast-paced world, consumer packaged goods and food and beverage companies must find innovative ways to accelerate time to market, grow the top line, and achieve cost leadership. At Atos, our global CPG Center of Excellence helps you optimize your entire value chain. Atos technologists with CPG process expertise deliver end-to-end services and solutions to bring your vision to life. Atos teamed up with one of the world's largest beverage bottlers to advance their digital journey across 28 countries and 450 processes. Atos helps in the development and support of over 200 applications, including SAP ERP, CRM, supply chain management, business planning, field sales automation, and e-commerce. The ecosystem handles 100,000 sales orders per day, driving efficiency, accuracy, and cost leadership for the customer's 50 plants, 400 warehouses, and 23,000 users. Central to the transformation, Atos is converting a complex SAP environment to S/4HANA, including integrating over 100 external applications, designing, testing, optimizing, and providing documentation and training. Atos helped centralize financial and treasury processes, including automated forecasting, reporting, and cash management. With 80% of the data from internal systems, we increase accuracy and efficiency. Atos also increased revenue and reduced administrative burden with a B2B e-commerce solution using SAP Hybris to streamline order processing and fulfillment and enable 24/7 multi-channel consumer interaction. Analytics play a pivotal role in recognizing and responding to emerging opportunities and threats. Atos designed, implemented, and manages an advanced analytics platform that serves 13,000 users with over 4,000 data marts and 350 billion records. We enable informed decision-making and cost optimization by combining innovation experiments, predictive analytics, and machine learning. Our solutions helped realize the client's digital transformation vision, including augmented reality for asset positioning, connected eye picking solutions for warehouses, and the ongoing deployment of 1.4 million IoT-connected coolers. Together, we were able to optimize existing business models and create new revenue streams, use proven methods to implement global processes and accelerate ROI, reduce IT costs while ensuring quality and increased speed, and help the enterprise bring their innovative vision to life. Bring your innovation vision to life today with Atos Solutions and Services for CPG.